Sai Ram. Welcome back students in your Active English class. Today we will do Active English chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 is in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Today we will do part 1. So chapter name is Some, Any, No, Many. Some, Any, No, Many. In our last video of chapter number 7, we have learned about determiners and its type possessive determiner. Before we start the chapter, let's revise. Now, what is determiners? Determiners. We have already done this in chapter number 7. You have to tell me what is determiners. 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 Yes? Okay. Determiner is a word that introduces a noun. Determiner is a word that introduces a noun. That means it tells about the noun. It tells about the noun. Next, it comes at the beginning of the noun, not after. So, if a noun is there, the determiner will come in the beginning, not after. Okay, like some milk. Milk is a noun, and in front of the noun, determiner will come. Some money, some milk, many books. Like these are the determiners which comes in the beginning of the noun. Okay, let's see some common determiners. The, a, an, this, that, these, my, yours, his, her, its, our, their, a little, much, many, a lot of, etc. So these are the common determiners. Now we will see quantifier determiners. So these are the words which comes under quantifier. That they are any, all, many, much, most, some, more, little, few, less, etc. Now what is quantifier determiners? Now quantifier determiners, as the name suggests itself, quantifier are the words that describe the quantity of the noun we are talking about. Now quantity. What is quantity? Quantity is amount, measure, number. 4 apples, some apple, that we are talking about quantity. Some milk, I need some milk. 4 apples. Now 4 is a quantity and apples is a noun. We are talking about quantity of the noun. Okay. Now quantifier. Now quantifier are used with uncountable as well as countable nouns. Now uncountable and countable you have already done in your grammar. Now we will revise what is uncountable. Yes, uncountable are things that cannot be counted. So the things which we cannot count, like we cannot count milk, we cannot count water, we cannot count salt, sugar, these things we cannot count. So uncountable are the things that cannot be counted. Now you have to tell me countable. What is countable? Yes, countables are things that can be counted. For example, books, apples, bottle. These are the things which we can count. That is countable. Okay. Now let's see few examples of quantifier. I need some milk. I need some milk. In this sentence, some, S-O-M-E, some is a quantifier. Some is a quantifier. Why? Because it is talking about the quantity of the noun. Because it is talking about the quantity of the noun. What is noun here? Milk. Very good. And milk is a uncountable noun. Very good. Now, the word some is a quantifier as it suggests the quantity of milk. Quantity of milk. Now, I need some milk. Okay. Now, let's see one more example here. Now, I have many books. Now, many books. Now, many is here a quantifier and books is here noun. Yes. Which noun? Countable. Very good. Now, I have many books, but this one is my favorite. Now, many is a quantity. Now, I'm talking about the quantity, that I have many books. Okay. So, the word many is used for a plural noun like books. The word many is used for a plural noun, books, as books are a countable noun. So, many has been used with them. The word many is used with books because it is a countable noun. Let's see some quantifier words like we have done some, many, any, more. These are the words which describes quantifier. Okay. Let's see the word some. Now, some is used for positive sentence. Some is used for positive sentence. Let's see one example here. I have some friends. I have some friends. Now here it's a positive sentence. I have some friends. Now some is here quantifier. Some is here quantifier and friends is noun. I have some friends. Let's see one more example here. There is some milk in the refrigerator. So, there is some milk in the refrigerator. Now, I am saying here, yes, there is some milk in the refrigerator. It's a positive sentence. Yes, there is some milk in the refrigerator. That means I am talking about positive sentence. Now some, both the some here is a quantifier and friends and milk is a noun. Now friends is here countable and milk is uncountable. Some is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Now we will see the word any. Any is used for questions and negative sentence. Any is used for questions and negative sentence. Now let's see the example first. Is there any milk in the refrigerator? Is there any milk in the refrigerator? So here any is used for the question. Is there any milk in the refrigerator? Is there any apple in the kitchen? So when we will ask question, we will use any. Let's see one more example here. There isn't any milk in the refrigerator. There isn't any milk in the refrigerator. Negative sentence. Here we are saying isn't. That means no. There isn't any milk in the refrigerator. Isn't means is not. That means there is no milk. This is a negative sentence. Now, Any is used in question and any is used in negative sentence. Now, any is used for both countable and uncountable noun. If we say there isn't any apple in the refrigerator, now apple is a countable. So, any is used both countable and uncountable nouns. Let's see some examples. You can see the picture here. Has he any ice creams? Has he any cookies? Now you can see the picture. There are cookies, not ice creams. Now in these two questions, any is used. Now any is used in the questions. Okay. Now, has he any ice creams? Has he any cookies? Now see the answer here. He has some cookies, but he has not any ice cream. Now some is used here because we are talking about positive sentence. He has some cookies. He has not any ice cream. Any is used when we are talking about negative sentence. Not. He has not any ice creams. Now, he has some cookies, but he has not any ice creams. Let's see one more example. You can see the picture here. Has she any gifts? Has she any cakes? Now let's see the answer here. She has some gifts. You can see in the picture there are some gifts. She has some gifts, but she has not any cakes. Now, some is here a positive sentence. She has some gifts, but she has not any cakes. Any is used here, negative sentence. Here we are using in question. Here we are using in negative sentence. Next, has he any toys? Has he any books? You can see the picture here. He has some toys, but he has not any books. Now, some and any is a quantifier. Some is used for positive, not any. Any is used for negative sentence. He has not any books. Okay? Let's do some textual exercise. Before that, I request you to take out your active English book. Yes, go ahead. You can pause the video. Take out your active English book. Okay. Open your book. Page number 18. Chapter number 8. Now, top left in the corner, you have to write today's date. That is 31/7/2020. 31/7/2020. Write in today's date there. Okay, very good. Now let's do the first question here. Complete the sentence. Now you can see the picture here. First question. Has he any rulers? Has he any pens? Now you can see the picture here. You can see there are rulers. Now you have to tell the answer. The answer is already there in the book. He has some rulers. He has some rulers, but he has not any pens. Now here some is positive sentence and a quantifier. He has some rulers. You can see there he has some rulers, but he has not any pens. He has not any pens. Let's do the next question. Okay, can you see the picture here? Has she any apples? Has she any apples? You can see the picture. Has she any oranges? No. These are the question. That is why any is used. She has any apples? She has any oranges? No. She has dash apples, but she has not dash oranges. Now, first will be some. She had some apples, you can see there. But she has not any oranges. She has not any oranges. Very good. Now, next question. Okay, you can see the picture here. Has he any books? Has he any rulers? You can see the picture here. So, has he any books? Okay. He dash but dash. He has some books. Some books. You can see the picture here. He has some books, but he has not any rulers. Very good. He has not any rulers. So you have to write all the answers, okay, in your book. Keep on writing. You can pause the video, write the answers. Please don't make any spelling mistakes. Write properly. Let's see the next question. Here's the picture here. Has she any rulers? Has she any pencils? Now, you can see there are rulers. Yes. Now see the answer here. She dash. Now you have to tell me the answer. She has some rulers. Very good. She has some rulers, but she has not any pencils. Yes. She has some rulers, but she has not any pencils. Very good. Now let's do the next question. Okay. You can see the picture here. Has she any flowers? Has she any oranges? Now you can see the picture here. You have to tell me the answer here. It's very, very easy. She has some flowers. Very good. She has some flowers, but she has not any oranges. Very good. She has some flowers, but she has not any oranges. Very good. Now, next question. Okay, you can see here the picture. You can see the bottles. Dash. Now, here you have to write the questions also. Okay. Dash, he dash. Now, what will come here? You can see, you want some hint? You can see the hint here. Has she any flowers? So what will come here? Now, dash, he dash bottles. Now, has he dash. Now, question mark is there. What will come here? Some? No. What? Any. Has he any bottles? Has he any cups? Has he any bottles? Has he any cups? Now, what will be the answer here? He, very good. He has some bottles, but he has not any cups. He has some bottles, but he has not any cups. Very good. Next sentence. 7. Dash shoes, dash socks. Has he any shoes? Has he any socks? Now, let's see the answer here. Tell me the answer. He has some what? Shoes. Yes, he has some shoes, but he has not any socks. He has some shoes. You can see the picture. He has some shoes, but he has not any socks. There are no socks. That means he has some shoes, but there are no socks. Now, this was your last question. Now, I request you to complete your Active English book. So far, whatever we have done, you have to complete, write all the answers, all the videos are there, and you have to sit and study, okay? Revise this lesson again In the next video, we will do part 2 of this chapter. Till then, study. Okay, take care. Bye.